All right, so we are in our Junior Scholastic 2022 U.S. and World Atlas and Almanac. So we're looking at South America now. This is the South America map, and we are going to answer questions that go along with that. So we're going to look over here. It says South America is home to the world's largest rainforest, the Amazon. About 50% of the planet's plant and animal species live there. Most people in South America speak Spanish or Portuguese, which reflects the continent's major European colonizers. All right, so here are the questions, and it says, what is the capital of Peru? So we go over here, and we find Peru. Peru is in this area right here. You name the capital. And remember how we tell what a capital is as we look down here. National capitals have a black dot with a white star on the inside. So name that capital and make sure that you are capitalizing the capital. Number 2, it says, which country governs the Galapagos Islands? So we're going to go find the Galapagos Islands. They're right over here in this section. And then how you tell what country governs it or what country kind of takes claim or owns it is you look underneath the country or the area's name, and in parentheses, it should have that country's name. Make sure you capitalize the first letter in that country's name, and the rest are lowercase. Let's look at number 3. Which narrow body of water separates parts of both Chile and Argentina? Okay, so we're going to go down here to Chile and Argentina and see where their little toes are chopped off. So we've got Argentina here, and we've got Chile here. And notice that they keep going. Like here's another part of Chile, and here's another part of Argentina. But there is this bit of water that's in between them. So find the water's name. And remember, in these maps, a lot of times, they put water down in blue lettering. So look for that blue lettering and name that place. Now remember, you're capitalizing this because it's a specific body of water. Number 4, it says, which river forms the border between Uruguay and Argentina? Hope I'm saying that right. So here's Argentina. We just found it. And then here's Uruguay. So we're going to look for the body of water that is a border between the two. It says which river, so it's a river, forms the border between those two. So it's a natural boundary. And remember, river names, they get capitalized. The first and last name of a river gets capitalized. Let's look at the next one. The next one's number 5. It says the Tropic of Capricorn passes through which 4 South American countries? Now remember, all of these countries here are in different colors. Every time you change a color, you're changing into another country, and they've just got it like that. Brazil is here. This other green country is Chile. So they do have them broken apart. Even though they've got the same color, it's not the same country. I just want to make sure you understand that. So we find the Tropic of Capricorn, and it is a latitude line, so it'll be one of these that run this way. And you're going to name the 4 countries that run through there. Remember, we capitalize the names of countries. Number 6, it says, in which direction would you travel to get from Brazil to Sao Paulo? So, okay, Brazil to Sao Paulo. Okay, so we are going from the capital of Brazil. I think I might have read that wrong. The capital of Brazil to Sao Paulo. And so we find the capital of Brazil. Remember, we look for the star inside of the black dot. And then Sao Paulo, find that. It's just a regular black dot. And then you tell the direction in which you would have to go from the capital of Brazil to Sao Paulo. And I'm probably saying that wrong, and I apologize if I am. Number 7, in which direction would you travel to get from the Bolivian capital of La Paz to the Bolivian capital of Sucre? Which I'm probably definitely saying that wrong. So you're going from this country, Bolivia has 2 capitals. So you're going from La Paz to Sucre. What direction is that? That's probably an intermediate direction. Let's look here at number 8. Which capital is located at 5 degrees north, 74 degrees west? So how you're going to have to do that is you get your drawing tool, and you're going to need to look, because these change from south to the equator to north. Find out where 5 degrees north would be and run a line going all the way across. Now it's going to be in between because these are, I think, grouped by tens. And then 74 degrees west. So you're going to look up here at your wests and see where 74 would be and go straight down with that. You know, follow the curve a little bit, but go down with it with your drawing tool. And then wherever X marks the spot, it should have a capital there. So the capital would have, obviously, a star on the inside of the dot. Let's go to the next one. What is the approximate latitude and longitude of Caracas, Venezuela? So we find Venezuela up there. You tell the latitude that it would be. Go across this line, find out what that is, because it's practically directly on that line. And then longitude, you look at the two longitude lines that it's in between, and then you've got to kind of narrow it down to what you think it would be in that area. So you got to give a number with a degree sign, and then it's either north or south of the equator, and then a comma after that, and then a number with a degree sign. It's either east or west of the prime meridian. So make sure your longitude line or your approximate latitude and longitude has both parts. You need numbers and letters behind each number. The first one should be a latitude. Second one should be your longitude. Number 10, about how many miles separate the capitals of Gallana and Ceram? So you're going to go up here, find those capitals. Right here, lay your paper down, put the corner on one star, and draw a little line on the next. Go down here to your scale and see how many miles that would be. I could say that probably, if this is 300, all of it's 300, so each hatch mark would have to be 100, right? So that should help you a little bit. Good luck on this, and whenever you're finished, make sure you upload to Scholastic.